Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss one of the gate question which came in the year 2014. First, let me read out the question, then I will discuss the solution with you. Okay, consider a 4 by 1 mux with two select lines S1 and S0 given below. So it is a 4 by 1 multiplexer. When I can say that it is a 4 by 1 multiplexer, it will have 4 input lines and 1 output line. If you have 4 input lines, then you will have log 4 base 2 select lines are possible. Now they have given the 4 input lines as inputs 0, 1, R and R complement. Then they are asking the minimal sum of product expression for the output F. And they have given the 4 options A, B, C and D, and they are asking us to find the right answer. Those who have watched my earlier videos related to multiplexer, they can easily solve this question. So those who have watched, I request you to pause the video and try the answer by yourself and check it whether your answer is correct with me or not. If you have done somewhere mistake, I request you to watch the complete video for better understanding. Now when was discussing about the multiplexer, we have discussed one equation called if you have two select lines, let's take the P and Q. Okay, then what I will get P complement, Q complement and I naught. Okay, that is the input line I0 plus P complement Q I1 or P Q complement I2 or P Q I3. So this is the expression we will get it. Now if you see that they have given P and Q, so it will be P complement and Q complement everything. But in place of I0, they have given the value as 0. In place of I1, they given the value as 1. In place of I2, they gave the value R. In place of I3, they gave the R complement. So just substitute those values. So if I substitute that values, P complement and Q complement and 0 or P complement Q I1 is 1 or PQ complement, okay, or then you have PQR complement. So if you substitute those values, we got this expression. Now P complement Q complement and 0 will be 0 and this will be P complement Q and you will get PQ complement R, R complement. Am I right? So we got the expression as P complement Q, PQ complement R and then PQR complement. We will check it whether any option is satisfying this one or not. P complement Q is there, but they are saying Q complement R, PQ complement R is there. So, and others one, they are not at all satisfying. So what I will do is that you don't think that your answer is wrong. Is it clear? A lot of people will think that my answer is wrong. Somewhere I did the mistake and they will not answer this question and then they will go for the next question. So what I can suggest you for is that draw the K map using these inputs. Okay, if you have three inputs, so if you say that PQR terms is there, so three terms are there or three variables are there, we will have 8 cell K map, we will get it. Will you accept with me or not? Is it clear? So 8 cells K map will come, which consists of PQ R 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. If you expand, this is not in the SOP. Why? Because here the R term is missing and everywhere R and PQR is missing, but here P and Q term is there, R is missing. So what I can write is that P complement Q into 1, I can write it as R complement, means R complement. If I expand it, I will get P complement Q R, P complement Q or complement. So instead of this one, I can write this expansion. Okay, so which is P complement Q or P complement Q or complement. So substitute these values in the K map, which is P complement QR, which is nothing but 0, 1, 1. So where it is 0, 1, 1, here it will come. Okay, then this is P complement QR complement, which is equal to 0, 1, 0. How I got 0, 1, 0? In place of P complement I kept the 0, in Q I kept 1, in R complement is 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, it will come here. Then this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, here it will come. This is 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, it will come here. Am I right or wrong? Now, if you check it, how I can get it is that I can apply the implicant for these two ones and I can apply the implicant for these two ones and I have a separate one. This one I cannot join with anything. Is it clear? Are you able to understand it or not? So if I take this as an implicant, what is the expression I will get? The common is Q, okay, and I have R complement, and this one is what? P complement Q, because the common one is 0 and 1. Here it is 0, 1, they are nothing common. And if you come to this one, column side you have P Q complement and at the row side you have the RS common. Is it clear? So now if you see it, P complement Q is there, Q R complement is there, P Q complement R is there. So the right answer is A. Why not B? Why not C? Why not D? You can check it. Is it clear? Here 3 terms are there, but here 4 are there, here also 4 are there, here 1 is there. Is it clear? So the right answer for this question is A. I hope you have understood how I solved this GATE 2014 question related to the multiplexer. This question will help you to understand what kind of questions they will give in the GATE exam or any competitive exams related to the multiplexer. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.